Replica Sistemi has recently entered into an agreement with MiR, Mobile Industrial Robots, which is the leading company in Europe and worldwide for the production of AMR robots, which you can see behind me. What are AMRs? They are collaborative robots that allow warehouse operators to work by assisting them with day-to-day activities, primarily those that don't add value. As we will see, they enable operators to continue picking activities without wasting time or unnecessary movements within the warehouse. The AMR is directly called by the software, since we have previously identified that the role is required in the picking area. This automation allows us to fill the position in advance. If the location is still busy because the picker is late, the hook, as you can see, will hold, awaiting the location to be free, recalculating the position, and then placing the roll exactly where it has been told. The locations can be mapped in the warehouse with the specific stopping and picking areas of individual rolls defined through a configuration made via StockSystem. The hook then locates the roll at the starting position of the picking activity. Once released, if there are no other missions that have already been launched, it will proceed to its rest position to await a new mission which will be issued directly by the software. The software can be directly controlled by the task performed by the operator. So, when I have finished picking up, I can create a task directly from the voice-directed device, or the radio frequency scanner, or through automatic functions. I will now demonstrate the safety features of these objects. When I suddenly position myself in front of the MiR, the robot goes directly into protection mode and stops. With the AI integrated, it recalculates the path and is able to successfully navigate around the obstacle. So, as you can see, in order to be able to work with warehouse operators, the robot is equipped with a range of sensors to avoid collision against humans or pallets placed around the warehouse. Eventually, the hook has arrived to the resting position, awaiting a new mission. The operator has now completed the picking phase and positioned the roll in the defined arrival area of the robot. She then initiates the request to pick up the roll directly from the radio frequency scanner. Once the roll has been positioned, the radio frequency scanner can be used to scan on the roll's location tag, in order to call the robot's mission directly from the gun. The robot is then called back, and, as told before, I can position myself to create a temporary obstacle for the robot, which recalculates the route, avoids the obstacle, picks up the roll, and then brings it to the position that has been defined by the software. In this case, all the ending picking activities and all the rolls are then brought to the shipping docks. Another method for calling up the robots is the following. Once the roll has been placed in the location of the bay where it should perform the pickup, you have the option to use the Pick2Light, which allows you to install sensors on the rolls. These sensors, when pressed, generate the same call as we saw before with the radio frequency scanner. Once the robot has picked up the roll, it brings it to the shipping dock. The shipping docks have also been mapped in the same way as the picking start positions. This allows them to be drawn on the ground and mapped in the software with StockSystem. This enables the correct dock to be identified for each roll, ensuring the correct material is delivered.